Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we have another FABFITFUN unboxing. You guys know how much I love these subscription boxes. I have done with you the spring, summer, and now we are heading into fall season, and already FABFITFUN already they sent me the fall box. Cannot tell you guys how exciting are these unboxing videos with FABFITFUN, and you guys love it so much as well. So just cannot wait to open with you this fall 2025 FABFITFUN box. And you guys know that fall is my favorite season, and I can definitely tell you this fall season picks were the best so far. I got to choose the best items for fall. You know how it works. So from FABFITFUN you get with your subscription, with your seasonal or yearly subscription, you get 6 to 8 products in a box, and you get to choose. For each product you have 5 to 6 choices and you pick one. And this time for fall season, these were the most gorgeous picks ever. I have got my summer and spring box. I love those so much, but spring box is just mind-blowing. I'm really so excited to open it now and see, because these are all fall essentials, and they're like, it really gave me a hard time to pick because I love everything. So choosing one item from 6 was hard. So we have 6 to 8 items here. I will check now. Again, before we start this video, I just want to quickly give you a little details about it. So there are promo codes down below in the description box. So you have 2 choices: annual subscription or seasonal subscription. So if you do the annual subscription, what you get is gift with purchase. So you have the code down here, which is SPARKLINGBEAUTYBEE and also the link down in the description. And also if you go for the seasonal subscription, just seasonal, then you get 20% off for the first box. And there's also a code which is SPARKLINGBEAUTYBEE, and also the link down below. So I have put everything down below. Just go ahead and grab your box. This fall box, 100%, don't miss it guys. You will now see what you're getting, and it's totally worth it, because the amount you pay for your subscription and the product you get, oh my god, you actually win so much, which is just so good. What I love the fact here is that you can actually customize your box, which is so good. So now just let's open the box and see what we have. I need to show you this artwork here. What a beauty. Oh, this is so lovely, such a beautiful artwork. And this is how, when you open it, it is full of artwork. This box is just gorgeous piece, and just look at it, what we have here, all the luxury products. So I'll just pick them one by one and show you what I have. So guys, I'm just blown away opening the box. It is so beautiful. I am preserving all these boxes because I'm in so much love with it. These are just beautiful. So let's check one by one what we have. The first thing came here is a sweater, and this is just so beautiful that I'm already getting this fall vibe. Sweater season is coming, and that's the favorite. So obviously there was different choices. I had burgundy hoodie choice, sweatshirt, and also I had these and some other stuff. So definitely I had to go for this color. I love it so much. This is so soft, you guys, and this is from the brand called Nia. And this is such a beautiful sweater for fall season. Anything gray and anything burgundy, I just cannot resist. They are my favorite. Next thing I'm going to show you, you are going to blown away. So look at it. Can you believe they included Rare Beauty? I'm so happy. This is a Rare Beauty hydrating body lotion. Ooh, how cute it looks. And it has been in my wish list. I had I have different body lotions in my collection, so I was just waiting the right time to grab one. And thank you FABFITFUN for including Rare Beauty to this box. That's why I find, and there's one more item coming I'm showing you, which is so exciting. But before that, I just tell you, this Rare Beauty, oh, this is so beautiful. Absolutely love it, so beautiful. And definitely I'm going to use it. If you want a review of the lotion, we will do that together. But what else I need to say? This color, this packaging, so good. And the thing is that I really needed this Rare Beauty, you know, body care, and I got it. I have one more thing from Rare Beauty, that is their hydrating hand cream. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you FABFITFUN. I cannot thank you enough for including this fabulous brand, and cannot believe I have this hand cream in my collection now. Oh, this, oof. Oh, okay, so you just have to twist it, and then I think it comes. Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. Ooh, it feels so good. The smell, ooh, so delicious. Perfect for fall season. And oh, just so happy I have this duo, the hand cream and the body lotion. So happy. There are more exciting things. I'm going towards that. So exciting things. Okay, another brand that you guys going to love. Can you believe they have Merit? They have included Merit in this subscription box. And guys, these are all expensive products, and the price you pay for the subscription is just nothing compared to what you get. So Merit, and I actually used this shade before, Maison, my favorite lipstick shade from Merit, and I'm out of it. I completely finished this lipstick, and when I was about to buy, I just found it in this subscription box. Such a beautiful color. And I have a full video of this lipstick in my channel. I think I did a shorts, and you will get to see the shade. I wear it all the time. Recently I just got out of it and I was planning to buy, and this is such a pretty shade. So this is actually the shade, and it's just the perfect color for every day. So this also came in this subscription box. How amazing is that? Next, we have something really cute. I forgot what it was. It is a pumpkin salt and pepper shaker. Wow. Ooh, look at that. This is the shaker. These are actually shakers, but also perfect, you know, table dining pieces for fall. Look at that. You see? Oh, the smell is from the hand cream. Oh, it smells so good. The hand cream smells so good. And look at this. This is the little pumpkins. They look so cute. And so this is could be a salt, and this could be a pepper. And this is how it looks. And at the bottom you have where you put them in. They're just so beautiful. Such a beautiful piece for your dining. So that is it. And then we have something here. So this is everyday collection, creamer and sugar jar. Okay, so let's see from this brand. And trust me, the options that they give you, it's so hard to pick things because you will love all of it. See, so this is a sugar and a creamer set, and how gorgeous they look. Just imagine your dining table full of this beautiful, you know, beautiful white aesthetic pieces, and they're just so perfect for fall season. So beautiful. This is the creamer, and here the sugar jar. So beautiful, So perfect. The whole set is just so perfect for your, you know, fall preparation. You just grab your subscription, you don't need anything else. It's so good. Last thing, which it's so beautiful, I'm just going to show you now. The great thing about this subscription box is that whatever was actually in my wish list, coincidentally FabFit had all of it. So I just got everything for the fraction of the price. What should I have been paid with FabFitFun? But thank you FabFitFun so much for partnering up in this video, because I just love everything here so much. So this is the wooden board I got. Oh, this looks so good, and it is handmade in India. This is a handmade wooden board. How gorgeous it is. So beautiful for any gathering, especially holiday season and fall season. These are all fall aesthetics. I think this time this FabFitFun subscription has been the best ever. This is such a great quality and it looks so good. This smell is mind-blowing. So happy that I got to try this hand cream through this box. So excited about the body lotion, the lipstick, what can I say, all of it. I think these are very, very popular items, loved by many people, and you're going to really enjoy this subscription. So do let me know in the comment section below, which subscription are you going to do? Is it a one-time seasonal, or you want the whole year? I will highly recommend to choose any of it. If you're not sure, just go for fall and see if it works for you. And don't forget to use the coupon code which will help you to save even more. So I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you're already subscribed or if you're planning to subscribe, and let me know what you are picking for yourself. Customization is the best part. Anyways, thank you FabFitFun for partnering up in this video, and really you helped me to, you know, start my preparation for fall season. I'm already in the mood and just dreaming those fall fragrances. So good. Anyways guys, I'm going to end this video here today, and I will be seeing you next time on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.